So couldn't find a load yesterday, so I just ended up getting a hotel for the night, and today's Saturday. Still can't find anything on the load board, so I might just head up north a little bit and see if, I don't know. I really don't know. So I'm gonna head to the truck stop just down the road and wait there for a couple hours and see if anything pops up on the load board. Well, it's about noon now. Still can't find anything, so I'm just gonna start heading north and hopefully pick something up in Dallas area or somewhere. But yeah, I just need to get moving, so it's a bummer I can't find anything here, but I'm not waiting another day. Okay, now it is Tuesday morning and still nothing on the load board. Been searching for 3+ hours now, and obviously all day yesterday and just the whole weekend, but Texas just does not want me to leave. Man, gonna have to figure something out here. Alright, we got a load out of here finally. About an hour out, going to the military base, Fort Hood, Texas. Got a set of doubles. I have no idea what I'm hauling, but requires 8 to 10 chains. I feel that, I really do. Especially being here in Texas. Man, too many people here. Get my homeboy water. Well, this is a real crap show. So these doubles is that, and then the other one is behind this tank, but I can't get in there. So they're trying to clear a path for me to get hooked up, and then getting out is gonna be a pain in the butt. But yeah, so it's just not good. Hopefully we can get her. Well, get her through the gap. She was a tight one. But first trailer, let's go. Well, even more bad news, guys. I am not gonna be able to take this load. Yeah. Well, at least we didn't do, I don't think, any damage, but yeah, it's a no-go. So that's just God telling me, don't take this load and move on to the next. Let's see if we can get out of this crap show. Well, that definitely did not go as planned. Some things just don't work out, and this time it didn't. So a real bummer, because I've already been here for 4 days and just eager to get out of here. But yeah, we'll just have to move on to the next one, and hopefully something better pops up. Gotta say, that's the first for me. I've never gone and booked a load, and when I get there, yeah, I've been in some crappy spots, but usually get figured out. But there was just no way. I would have had it taken my whole back, the whole assembly off, my fenders and my light bar. So it just, it was not worth it, and it was just not a good load from the start. And I didn't know that until I got there, so which is very unfortunate, but nothing you can do. So now we're back to searching on the load board. Alright guys, it is Wednesday now, so still sitting in Texas waiting for a load. It's not good, but I'm still looking on the load board and just not really finding anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head into Love's and go take a shower and get cleaned up, because I don't smell very good, I can tell. Alright, got all showered up, cleaned up, feeling good. Just hope that there's a load that puffs up. It's just not looking good, and it has not been good. But hey, it happens. It's part of the power only. You just don't know if you're gonna find a good load or not. So pretty cool that guy's hauling a tank. Hopefully someday. Well, it is officially Thursday. Still nothing on the load board. It's a real bummer, and I think if I'm not gonna see anything today on the load board, I'm just Gonna bobtail back home, take the L, because it's just shit. I've lost out on probably $5,000, you know, if I was actually running. So with the truck not running, I'm just losing money, spending money on food, water, you name it, whatever. So yeah, let's just pray that I get a load today. Well, figured I'd do something to get the truck at least washed, cleaned up before I start heading north. Alright, got her all cleaned up. It's looking good. It's been like a month since I've washed her, but she's cleaned up alright. Definitely gonna need a polish job here soon. Probably after winter, but what she looks like clean. Still haven't found anything on the load board. There is a load going to Colorado, but it's a load out deal where I have the trailer for like a week, and I'm really not trying to do that because I need to still get that low boy to Canada, so I want to do that next week since the guy said that he would be available next week. Just trying to really get good to go. Alright, well I just finally decided that there's just nothing that I'll be able to find going north, so I'm actually gonna be taking a dry van out of Fort Worth going to Denver, and there's actually a couple dry van loads, so I'll just hopefully, you know, find a load by tomorrow and then head to Denver and maybe go ride the snowmobile for a day or two.